welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. I love home decorating. I love everything about home decorating, home decor, and I love decorating with style on a budget. So if you love home decorating as much as I do, and you love decorating with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. If you have not yet subscribed, by the end of the video, I hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. So it is how many days? 15 days? Let's see. 18 days post-op. And yeah, I'm getting better slowly but surely. And I don't know if it's because maybe I'm older, it's taking longer, but I don't know. I've not felt this way in a really long time. Like I said, it feels like I've had a cesarean. Many of you who have children, if you had a cesarean, know that's what it feels like. It takes a while to get those stomach muscles back in action, and yeah, so it's just taking longer to heal, and because of that, it hurts when I sit for long periods of time. So yeah, I'm still in the recuperating phase, but what can you do? What did I say? You have to push on, right? You have to push on. So I wanted to give you a few updates that I have been having my boyfriend help put into place for me. You know, I've been recuperating and sitting around the house and looking around and saying, you know, it's really been like this for a really long time, and I think it's time for a change. So yeah, that's what we've done. We've made a few changes. So in a recent video, I want to say about a week or so ago, I showed you what I wanted to refresh my space over here in the living room. I put up new wall art, and there was space on either side, and I asked if I should get wall sconces or do some type of abstract wall art. And a lot of you guys voted for sconces, and some of you voted for abstract wall art, or not wall art, but like I don't know, like a paneling, just an abstract design on the wall. You guys know I love a good abstract. But in the end, I was searching online because I'm bored, and I ran across these two prints from Ashley Furniture, and I fell in love. They totally gave me Restoration Hardware vibes. So I ordered them, they came in, and I had my boyfriend put them up for me. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen my new prints. But if you don't, let me show you. So this is how the artwork is looking here in the living room, and I absolutely love it. I have been playing around with some new stylings over here, and that will be an upcoming video, but I just wanted to share with you how these paintings look in case you are on the hunt and you need some really large wall art. So as I said, I was scrolling through Ashley Furniture, and I found this wall art. It's normally $159, and I got it on sale at $129 per canvas, so making it $260. They're 40 by 50, so $260 is less than the $279 Sarah Brooke painting that is half the size of this. And I like this look better. Again, it's giving me Restoration Hardware vibes. And I was concerned that I wouldn't be able to fit them on the wall, but I think they fit here nicely. Now I'm considering, should I add wall sconces, or not wall sconces, picture lights above them? Leave me a comment down below. Should I add picture lights? Should I not add picture lights? And then I brought up the lamps that we had last year. These also came from Ashley's Furniture. I purchased them online as well. The only difference is this part down here was gray. I wasn't really feeling the gray, so I painted it black, and I think it just elevated the look of the lamp. And they look so nice here. They pair with the frame. The frames are trimmed in gold. My boyfriend's not fond of gold, as you guys know, but he was, again, gracious enough to overlook the gold because he does like the print. So I have this white vase that I picked up from Home Goods. It was $19.99, and I have it paired here with these beautiful florals, these stems. Everyone loves them. It's these maple stems from a floral. They are a little pricey, guys, a little pricey. So, you know, I'm always looking for a Lux for Less dupe, and one of the first places I go to look for a Lux for Less dupe is to Amazon. So I found some really similar floral stems from the seller on Amazon. I haven't received them yet, but they look very similar to these, and they're only $4.99 a stem with free shipping. Yes, you heard me. I'll put up the photo here on the screen, and I'll leave the link in the description box down below in case you care to check them out. Again, I haven't received them yet, so I don't know what the quality is going to be, but $4.99 a stem versus $28 a stem. I thought, hey, it's worth the chance, and if I don't like them, I can always send them back. But I did want to share that with you because I know a lot of you really love these stems as much as I do. So this is the look. This is what I have so far. All right, and so for the living room, I have blacked it out. As you guys know, I am starting a series, how to decorate your home with black for fall. And one of the first videos was an early fall video on how, if I could talk, on how I have blacked out my living room for fall. So I have a dark charcoal sofa, and I've just added some black pillows that came from Amazon. They are linked in my Amazon storefront in case you're interested. And I talked about how I'm going to be decorating and how I'm going to take you along and share my vision. So if you also love decorating in black and white and you want to get new ideas on how to decorate your home, make sure you subscribe because I will have lots of fall decorating content coming up using black. So if you missed the video where I talked about this, I will leave it linked in the description box down below. Make sure you go check it out. But also, I told you I wanted to add warm burgundy tones to my home. So in my last video, I shared with you this floral haul from Temu. If you missed that video, I will leave that linked in the description box down below as well. But I showed you how I put together these really pretty floral bouquets using those flowers, and as you can see, we have black in them, and I think the black gives it a perfect moody vibe for fall. And because this is our dining table, I can't have anything too tall where you can't see the person that you're talking to, and our TV is behind us, and a lot of times we'll have dinner and watch a show. So you can't have anything too tall. So that's why these centerpieces are low, and I'm going to be painting this black. I'll ask you guys in the video, should I paint them white? Should I paint them black? Pretty much everyone said black, so they will be black. So I will be doing that. But yeah, so this is just a little preview of my upcoming fall content. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the direction I'm going in. And if we go back this way, I cannot wait to start decorating, experimenting with my new console area over here. Don't mind those cords down there. I work here, and that's the internet. I do my editing here on the couch, and I don't have an outlet close by, so I have to run an extension cord from under there. So that's what that is, but don't mind that. So yeah, I cannot I cannot wait to start styling this area with different looks for fall. So again, if you're looking for some fall entryway, living room, console decorating ideas, make sure you subscribe, because I have a lot of content coming your way that you don't want to miss. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the new artwork. Let me know what you think of the lamps. You like them better now that the bases are black? I know a lot of you also have these lamps in your home, so let me know. Are you going to paint yours black at the bottom as well, or leave them that gray cement color? And let me know if you go over to Amazon and purchase those florals that are very similar to a floral. I would love to know. So with that, my friends, make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, friends.